Today our topic is modern communication. So at first we'll learn what is communication. So communication is the exchange and flow of information and ideas from one person to another. It is a exchange and flow of information. So uh, it flows the information from one person to another person. So it involves a sender transmitting an idea or information to a receiver. So the growth of science and technology has made tremendous advancement in the field of communication. So modern techniques have enabled us to send and receive message from all over the world much faster. The most common means of written communications was sending letter by post, but today letters have been replaced by email, which take a few seconds to reach the receiver. There are two types of communication. One is personal communication and one is mass communication. So what is personal communication? It is used to describe the various means by which two persons communicate with each other, and mass communication is the term used to describe the various means by which the individual and entities relay information through mass media to large segment of population at a time. Now let's see the phone. It is also one means of communication. So we all are using mobile phone, and this is very important means of communication. So telephone, it is an instrument that send and receive voice message. Now we can do video call also. We can send pictures through this network. So it is one of the most valuable means of communication. Today there are phones which can uh, carried with us. That is mobile phone only, and it is very helpful for us. On the spot we can do many types of work by walking, by going from one place to another. We can do many works through mobile phone only. So now by simply making a phone call, it is possible to find out the likely time of arrival or departure of trains or flight. We can see the timing of trains or flight. Then now we do not have to wait for long hours at station and airport. We can send short written message through the SMS facility through mobile only. So it is very helpful for us. Next means of communication is internet. So internet, we all depend upon this internet only. So internet is a network of many computer network. Local network the world over are connected together by wireless and telephone line, satellite, etc. So if we are on the internet, we can get any information from any of the thousands of computer in the network. So what are the uses of internet? Number one, we can book railway ticket and air ticket. We can get all the information about the time of arrival and departure of train and flights. Then we can do online banking. Then every major news channel on TV has a website which can access at any time to keep ourselves updated. Then we can buy things online by just placing our order at a website. So many things we can do through this internet. So radio, television, newspaper and other printing medias are called mass media. So we get to know what is happening around the world through radio, television only, and we can watch matches and other events in different parts of the world on TV. And weather reports help us to prepare for rains and storms. Radio and television warns people about the cyclone and other predictable calamities. So through these we know many things by TV and radios. Now let's see the communication and communication satellite. So communication satellites serve as relay station, receiving radio signal message from one location and transmitting them to another. It will receive and transmit to another. So these satellites are now an essential part of the worldwide communication. So a communication satellite can relay several television programs or thousands of telephone calls simultaneously. So this is communication satellite.